Welcome student. In the last lecture we have seen two examples from method of reduction. Now we see the method of inversion. Method of inversion means we solve the system of linear equation in three unknowns by using inverse of a matrix. Inversion method means solving equation by using inverse of a given matrix. So consider three linear equations in three unknowns, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. Now a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, and now a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. So this is system of linear equation in three unknowns, general equations. Now in the reduction method we have solved such type of equations. Now in inversion method we again put this equation in matrix form as ax is equal to b. पुन्हा आपण हे असे मॅट्रिक्स फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिणार आणि त्यानंतर मला हे x means where a is the matrix of constant, x be the matrix of unknown and b be the matrix of constant. So here what is a is nothing but matrix of constant. Here a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3, matrix A. Now x be the matrix of variable x y z, and b be the matrix of constant. So b be the matrix of constant, that is d1, d2 and d3. Now we solve this matrix equation. So how to solve this matrix equation? Suppose here we pre-multiply both sides by A inverse. Pre-multiply both sides by A inverse. So we have to transform this A to RHS. For that we multiply A inverse. मला इथं हा A नको आहे, त्यासाठी मी इनवर्स न मल्टिप्लाय करतो, कारण मला A इथून घालवायचं. तर तो कसा जाईल बघा. नाउ हियर A inverse into AX is equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse pre-multiply both side by A inverse. म्हणजे डावीकडून मल्टिप्लाय करतो प्री मल्टिप्लाय, उजवीकडून मल्टिप्लाय केले की पोस्ट मल्टिप्लाय both side by A inverse. Now here we know the associative log product of three matrices. This equation, this LHS can be written as A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse into B. So as we know the associative log, so in real number system, how to write this? That is 2 into 3 into 4 is same as 2 into 3 into 4 is same as 2 into 3 into 4. So this is LHS here and RHS is this. So 3 into 4 12, 12 into 2 again 24, similarly 6 into 4 24. So it does not change the answer. So here A inverse into A is again identity matrix I into X. So A inverse into B. And by definition of inverse of matrix, A inverse into A is again identity matrix. Now identity matrix into other matrix X is again X. As we know that identity matrix plays the role of 1 as in number system. जसा 1 हा नंबर सिस्टीम मध्ये असतो तसा हा आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स अल्जेब्रा मध्ये आहे. आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स into X is again X. So that is A inverse into B. So here we have found the value of X, A inverse into B. Now we find the A inverse by any one of these three methods, that is by row transformation, column transformation or by adjoint method. We find A inverse. Then we take the multiplication of A inverse and matrix of constant B, and then we get the solution that is values of x, y and z. आपण a इन्व्हर्स आणि b चा प्रोडक्ट घेणार आणि x इक्वेट करून आपल्याला x, y, z च्या व्हॅल्यूज मिळणार. जनरली आपण इन्व्हर्स हा ॲडजॉइंट मेथडनच काढायचा कारण इझी जातं, चुकण्याची शक्यता फार कमी आहे. सो x इज इक्वल टू a इन्व्हर्स इंटू b. आता हेच ह्या सगळ्या ज्या स्टेप्स आहेत मी त्याच रिअल नंबर सिस्टीमसाठी सांगतो. सपोज 2x इज इक्वल टू 3, लिनियर इक्वेशन इन वन व्हेरिएबल. बघा हे असंच आहे की नाही, कॉन्स्टंट इंटू x इज इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टंट. हिअर मला इथं 2 नको आहे, 2 इथून घालवायचा आहे, तर आपण काय करतो, डिवाइड बोथ साइड बाय 2. सो मल्टिप्लाय बोथ साइड बाय हाफ, multiply both sides by half. So half times 2x into half times 3. Okay. Okay. Pre-multiply both sides by inverse. Here multiply both sides by half. Inverse of 2. Inverse of 2 means 2 inverse. 2 inverse means 1 by 2. So now half into 2 into x is equal to here half into 3. So that is 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2. Now half into 2, a number into its reciprocal is 1. So 1 into x is equal to 3 by 2. Again 1 into variable, that is again x, which is 3 by 2. जसं आपण नंबर सिस्टीम मध्ये इक्वेशन सॉल्व करतो, सिमिलर तसंच मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये आपण इक्वेशन सॉल्व केलेलं आहे. बघा प्रत्येक स्टेप इक्विव्हॅलंट आहे त्यामध्ये. Now we take one example to solve by method of inversion. Now example 3x minus y is equal to 1 and 4x plus y is equal to 6. Now we solve the simultaneous equations by method of inversion. Now we write, so solution is, we write above equation in matrix form as ax is equal to b, where what is a? A is coefficient matrix 3 minus 1 4 1. B matrix of variable x y, and C matrix of constant 1 6. So A, B, C, matrix of coefficient, matrix of variable, matrix of constant. Now we pre-multiply both sides by inverse. In every example we have to write all these 5 steps. आपल्याला प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पल सोडवताना त्या 5 स्टेप्स लिहाव्याच लागतील. म्हणजे कसं, pre-multiply both sides by, pre-multiply both sides by A inverse. So therefore A inverse into Ax is equal to A inverse into B. Now by associated of product of 3 matrices, we have A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse into A is identity matrix is equal to A inverse into B. Identity matrix into X is again X. X is equal to A inverse into B. So this is the equation. So this is the solution. So we find A inverse and B and then take its product. We will get the solution. Now we find the inverse of this matrix A. So we find inverse of A by adjoint method. Now for that, now we find determinant value of A, that is here 3 minus 1 4 1. So 3 minus of minus 4, that is plus 4, which is equal to 7, not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exist. Therefore A inverse exists. Now we find the cofactor of each element. So cofactor of each element. So here A11, as we know that how to write cofactor, we find cofactor by using formula Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. We use this formula and we will find the cofactor of each element. So A11 cofactor of, so as we have seen in previous lecture, without using this formula we take only sign plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. So A11 is plus, so its minus is deleting first row first column, that is 1. So A11 is 1. Now A12, so cofactor of this element, it has sign minus, so A12 is minus times 4, so minus 4. Now A21 has again sign minus, so A21 is minus of minus 1, that is 1. And A22 has sign plus, so minor of this one is 3, plus 3. Now we write cofactor matrix. We write cofactor matrix. So cofactor matrix is equal to, now we write cofactor, that is 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 and 1 3, 1 3. So this is cofactor matrix. Now transpose of this cofactor matrix is nothing but adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is, now transpose of this matrix 1 1 minus 4 3. So this is adjoint of A. Now we have the A inverse, 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 upon determinant of A, that is 7, adjoint of A 1 1 minus 4 3. So this is A inverse. Now we have so we have calculated A inverse. Now we put the values of A inverse in this equation. Now call this equation 1. From equation 1 we get x is equal to A inverse. What is A inverse? So that is 1 by 7 times 1 1 minus 4 3 into B, matrix of constant. So that is A, sorry, here it should be X, it is B. So what is B? 1 6 column matrix. Now we take the product. Here this matrix of order 2 by 2, this matrix of order 2 by 1. After taking product you will get the matrix of order 2 by 1. So here first row first column 1 plus 6. Next first row second column, there is no second column, so first row is exhausted. Now second row first column, minus 4 plus 18, minus 4 plus 18. Now that is 1 by 7 into 1 plus 6, 7, 18 minus 4, 14. And if we multiply 1 by 7 to each element, we will get, that is 1 and 2. So here x is nothing but column matrix xy, and x is equal to what? 1 2 1 2. So therefore here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So in this way we can find the inverse of, we can find the system of linear equation in two unknowns, and we have the solution x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Now we substitute this value in given equation. Put x equal to 1, y is equal to, that is 1, 3 minus 1, sorry, 3 minus 2, 1. Put x equal to 1, 4, y is equal to 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. So x and y satisfied both the equation. So our answer is correct. So when question is asked in board exam, we will solve by matrix method. We will solve by method of reduction. आपण नेहमी रिडक्शन मेथड यूज करणार. ही थोडीशी लेंदी मेथड आहे, मोठी आहे, त्यामुळे आपण मेथड ऑफ रिडक्शन यूज करणार. थँक्यू.